Hi everyone. In this video we are going to be adding polynomials. So we're going to compute polynomial addition, and I'm going to show you two different methods. We're going to use the same problem just to show you that we will get the same answer as long as we do our adding correctly. Alright, now the first method I'm going to show you is a horizontal method. Right now my problem is written out, and all I do is I just look across horizontally the whole problem and I find like terms. So like terms with the 7x squared in this set of parentheses is 6x squared in the other. So I take 6x squared and 7x squared and I add them together. So I end up with 13x squared. I just add the 7 plus the 6 and the x squared comes along for the ride. Okay? Then I'm going to look at the next term. I have minus 4x. Okay, I look in the other polynomial to see are there any x's to the first power, and there are. I have a plus 9x. So I can take minus 4x plus 9x. So when you take negative 4x plus 9x, that gives you plus 5x. Okay, and then last, I have a plus 9, which is a constant term, no variables, and I have a minus 10. That's also a constant term with no variables. So 9 plus negative 10, when you add them, you just subtract and keep the sign of the larger number or the one that's farther from 0. So in other words, 9 plus negative 10 gives you negative 1. So minus 1. This is my answer. Ooh, I can't even box it very well. All right, sorry about the bad box. All right, but I'm going to show you another method. We're going to use the same problem. All right, just to kind of show you that you're going to get the same thing. Maybe I can box that answer better, okay? I'm going to write the first polynomial down. So 7x squared minus 4x plus 9. Sometimes I like this vertical method better than the horizontal. Why? Because I vertically put the second polynomial like terms under like terms. So 6x squared is like terms with the 7x squared. So I'm going to put the 6x squared right under the 7x squared. Okay, 9x is like terms with the minus 4x. So I'm going to put plus 9x. And then the negative 10 is the same, is like terms with the 9 because they're both constant terms. And then all I do is I add straight down each column. And sometimes that's a little easier for me. And some of my students found it a little easier for them. If it's difficult for you to do it horizontally, then line them up vertically in like terms. Think of them like place values. This is my x squared columns. I have 7x squareds plus 6 more x squareds. That gives me 13x squareds. I have negative 4x plus 9x. That gives me plus 5x. And I have 9 minus 10, or 9 plus negative 10, gives me negative 1. And see, I get the exact same solution. But it might be slightly easier for you to visualize vertically. So do whichever is easiest for you and have fun with these. And if this has helped you, please like and follow. Bye and have an awesome day.